And this, ladies, is how you make your man happy. Have you ticked him off lately? Is he upset? Do you need to make things right? Did you mess up a little bit? Did you scratch his truck? Did you wreck his truck? Did you sleep with his cousin? Did you forget and leave the seat down again? This is how you make it all better. Bacon. Check it out. There you go, folks. Ladies, if this doesn't make your man happy and set your world right again, well, you probably don't have a man. You got yourself a girlfriend. Just saying.